Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to hide your subscribers count by using your mobile phone only. Hi everyone, I am Mai. Welcome to my channel. So first, what we need to do is click the Chrome. And then here, you just need to type the YouTube Studio. And then here, you click it. And then as you can see, you will see this one. You just need to click that one. So it looks like this. And then if you don't have this app, get the app. It will go to the Play Store. And if you already have this app, continue to Studio. Now we're already in our YouTube Studio. So as you can see, we need to go to our profile. This one. So you just click that one and then it will come out to your channel. So that one, as you can see, I hide my subscribers. There's no subscribers count, so there's no number. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can also do it. As you can see, I'm playing my video and there is also no number under. The subscribers count is missing. So let's go back to our YouTube Studio so that I'm gonna teach you how to hide. As you can see here in the channel analytics, your numbers of subscribers will be seen there, so you don't need to worry. And then the next step is you just need to scroll down. As you can see on the bottom part, this is the setting. So go to your setting, you click it, and then afterwards there will come this channel. So you just click the channel, this one, under the general, and then after clicking it, you can see there is basic info, advanced settings. So we need to go to advanced settings, and then after that one, you just need to scroll it down. There, you can see the subscribers count. So in this area, if you want to hide your subscribers count, just don't click it, or you can simply leave it blank. But if you want to show your subscribers count, you check it and then save. Setting saved. And then after that, here we go back to our channel. As you can see, since I did not check it, so there is no subscribers count. So it's empty. So now let's go back to our YouTube Studio. When you want to bring back your subscribers count, you just need to go back to your settings again and then click the channel under the general, that one, and then go to advanced settings, and then here's our click the subscribers count, check it, then save, and then go back to your channel. So as you can see, here is our subscribers count. So 393. Now before, you can see there's none, but now there's already. And now let's go check our video if there's a subscribers count. As you can see here, my subscribers count was already there. So that's very simple. So here with subscribers count, and then this one with without subscribers count. So I hope you learned something today, and if you did so, don't forget to subscribe now at my channel, and then to click the new notification bell, this one, so that you will be updated with my videos that I will be uploading soon. Thank you for watching.